Hey guys, welcome back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. This week we're talking all about SWOT analysis and how you can use it to make better decisions in your business. So guys, you probably heard the term before, SWOT analysis, but what is it and how can you use it? A SWOT analysis is used to evaluate your business or a decision you are about to make with your business when you are planning or looking into doing something new or different. So a SWOT analysis is an acronym where SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths and weaknesses are internal, while opportunities and threats are external. So this allows you to look at the pros and cons both inside and out. That's what makes this so great, is if you've ever used an old school pros and cons chart, this is so much better. Usually this is shown in some sort of diagram. There's all different kinds of ways to display this, but at the end of the day, it's the same result. So the first thing to keep in mind is strengths, right? You want to ask questions like, what do we do well? What makes us different? What kind of assets do we have, right? This is where you evaluate yourself, kind of like a pros list. Like, what is great about me? And what is great about this decision, or what is great about us as a company? And then you want to look at weaknesses, which is, where am I lacking? What is wrong? Where can we improve, right? And this is kind of like that old school cons list. So, this makes up that internal portion we talked about, looking internally, finding out where the pros and where the cons are, also known as strengths and weaknesses. Next, you have opportunities and threats. These are looking external. Opportunities might be looking at a new direction to head in, or maybe you have a certain niche that's being unexplored, or there's another service you can add, or something that's an opportunity that you're currently not doing. And then a threat is something that's external, maybe a competitor, maybe the government regulation, maybe something that's external that's negatively impacting your business or could come into play when you're making this decision. So that covers both the internal and the external. So what I thought we'd do today is we'd look at the Shipmate YouTube channel through a SWOT analysis. So what do we got for strengths when we're looking at the Shipmate YouTube channel? Well, we got a great audience, strong following. We got a gorgeous host, just look at this smile. We got some original content, and we got a really awesome studio here. What do we got for weaknesses? Well, we got a limited budget. We don't have any like cartoon or special effects artists in the place. Only know things about shipping, right? So these are weaknesses. But we also have opportunities and threats. So what are some opportunities that we have as a Shipmate YouTube channel? Well, maybe we could cover some other things that are not shipping related that apply to your business. Maybe we could give you some accounting tips. Maybe we could give you some sales tips. Maybe we could do the news. Maybe we could do, something else that we're currently not doing, and that's a huge opportunity for us. Maybe we could produce more episodes, right? Just get more content out there. And these are all opportunities we could explore as a channel to help us grow. And then what are our threats? Well, there could be a competitor who comes out with a better channel, even though that's going to be quite hard to do. And you could have, some sort of YouTube censorship thing where, YouTube could just decide we don't allow logistics channels anymore. So, these are threats that we have to be aware of, that even though they might not be here today, they might be here tomorrow. So, these are things we got to keep in mind. So, as you see with that example I just gave, you can apply this to anything, right? You can apply this to your business. You can apply this to yourself even. You can apply this to a decision you're about to make, like should we buy another factory? Should we expand to China? Should we buy another tractor trailer? Like, you can use this to help you make decisions throughout your business. And that's what I think makes SWOT analysis really unique, is it's a very entry-level marketing technique, but it really tells you a lot about your business and about yourself, and it can allow you to make changes or explore new opportunities, and it's a really useful tool. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I got an opportunity for you. If you could give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share. We're almost at 2,000. I mean, we're like right there knocking on that door. And you could be the one who gets us over that benchmark. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.